Alright, trying this new little mini, what is this thing called? A Joby? Because my old tripod broke. But anyway, you're not here for that, you're here for this. Shenanigans. Those. This thing's got mad wheel hop. Super bad when you launch. And actually even last event, I noticed at mid-drift, it'll hop. So these are supposed to solve that. And what these are the BMR subframe lockouts. So we're gonna throw them in, and then while we're down there, we're gonna change some fluid out. So let's get after it. What are we taking out? Fronts? Backs?
I did it in opposite direction.
So we're taking out the rears?
Yeah, here. I'll hold it real quick.
I can take it out. Oh, you stole the gun.
You get the film.
Well, I'll try to get the film on. I'm not really digging this tiny little tripod. It looked bigger in the Amazon pictures, as things like to do.
Oh, did you order it from Wish?
No, Amazon. Pretty much Wish, though.
No hand extension. I did forget it.
Oh, let me
go right on the other side. Yeah.
So we pop those out, and then we're supposed to lower the subframe down some. Don't know how much we're going to need to. It didn't look like we need to lower it too much on the other side when I was just over there peeking.
Nah, I see, you'll see what we're at right now, honestly. If it's anything like the Z, I mean...
It was just kind of like slap them in there. The back ones were the small ones, right?
Back ones.
So these are the front. It should be, I think they're 10 mils.
Yeah, I think that's right. The bolt should be on the outer side.
Yeah, kind of like this.
Yeah.
So that's right.
Okay.
All right.
Got the bigger ones up front, right?
That's what they said. I'll go double check. I think it was the big ones up front.
Okay, we might have to lower it a little bit.
A skosh.
A little bit.
Just gotta go over the bushing. All right.
Okay, double check real quick.
Let's see here. Try to do this without dropping everything on the ground.
Alright.
All right. You might not even seen that on camera. Just enough. Let's see. All right. So we did this right. If you're doing this at home, it should be the thick bushing in the front. My e-brake line, not my e-brake, my hydro line, it's kind of right in the way over here, but get that out the way. And then, yeah, okay, that's clipped on all the way. So it just sits down on top of the subframe. And then this guy, the big red piece, is gonna go something like this. I can show you without it being a giant cluster. It's gonna go mount something like that. Quick and easy, lemon squeezy. So let's get this bolted up and we'll be back. Bolt on the bottom, so silver on the bottom, thin black ones on the top, on the rear mounts.
Yeah, they just center at the top. They just center around the mount, kind of, sort of. Just like so. The rear ones are gonna go like that and just go up flush.
Yep, we'll get the bolts started in there.
Yep.
That's what they said. You might have to
use it.
Yeah, well, they said you might have to start the front ones and you just use a pry bar to get the small bolts to line up. But other than that, once you get the fronts lined up, the rear should be lined up. So that's what we're gonna do. There we go. All right, guys. So that was pretty easy.
27 minutes.
Yeah, it only took us about, yeah, I think it was exactly 27 minutes to do the whole spiel. Granted, I did have the car up in the air, so that took a little time off. But anyway, easy peasy. You just want to make sure when you're tightening everything up. Drew and I just used a rubber mallet and seated these against the subframe here. So you don't have to worry about cross-threading the bolt or anything like that. You might have to use a pry bar and wiggle the subframe. Ours, we didn't really need to. Did we use it on the other side?
No,
Minimal,
very
minimal.
Very, just a little kind of shaking to make it a little
Yeah,
easier.
to line up the bolts. But it was pretty easy. This is how the back looks when it's all tight. You see the bottom lockout, and then up top, right there. Easy peasy. So we'll report back on how it does as far as wheel hop. This is supposed to solve a majority of the wheel hop. So it may not be completely 100% solved, but I'm hoping it's much less, because I have to really baby this thing off the line. And if we do comps and we actually get to do a running start, I want to be able to hammer it. So
is that what it was when it was like,
yeah, it's
I didn't even realize that was wheel hop. I was just powering through that shit.
Yeah, well, yeah, you can power through it, but it's also, one, you get less traction, and then two, it's a lot of drive chain shock, a lot of drive line shock, and I still have the factory 2-piece drive shaft in this car, so you don't want to put that much stress on the carrier bearing if you can avoid it, and yada yada yada. But that's one of the next things is a 1-piece drive shaft for this thing. But
I mean, it wasn't like terribly violent, because like I said, I didn't even think about it being wheel hop when I drove it at the last event. I felt it right when I took off. And I was like, man, I guess I'm just like kind of slipping the clutch a little bit too much.
No, it's wheel hop. So you're just not getting a good, like, it basically it's not settling that rear end and letting you go. So hopefully that solves a bunch of that. And then also too, I noticed, like, when I was third gear, like hard on it, like way high RPM, a lot of wheel speed, it would actually wheel hop like mid drift. And then so that means you're slower in drift and yada yada. So we're trying to solve that. And it was, fairly inexpensive. I think I found the kit on sale on Amazon for like $190. So it saved me like $20, free shipping, easy money.
27 minutes.
Yeah, easy money. If that solves 90% of the wheel hop,
worth it.
All day. So all we got left, we're gonna we might have to jack up the front of the car to get this thing level. We'll see where the drain plug is on the diff. I've never changed the gear fluid in this car, and we've done what, 3 events with it now? 3 or 4, and 2 of those events were 2-day events, so it's gotten some wear on that diff fluid that was stock. So we want to change that. We're going to use some Motul gear oil and freshen her up, because factory, this diff's been good. It's no issues locking or anything like that. We want to keep it. We want to keep it that way. So we're going to swap out the fluid, and then this will be the easiest mod we've done on this car. So.
Most cars.
Yeah. All right, let's get to the fluid swap, the nasty stuff. I hate gear oil.
You videoing?
See.
So, pro tip to everybody watching: get yourself a friend like Drew. Because I've just been doing this shit all day, so I really haven't let Mike even touch a tool.
I know. I think I've just tightened 2 bolts. That's it.
I've just been doing it all day, so I'm just going in turn wrench mode.
How fast it's gonna come out? Who knows?
Oh, fast! I got the top one.
Yeah, I say it needs to be changed.
Yeah, I'd say so too. Hard to see, but
That's black, baby.
yeah, you can't see through it.
Sounds...
Take the top drain plug out, let her air. Let that air pass through. Where's the other one? It's not terrible. No, it's not terrible. It's probably hard to see on camera, but
yeah, you expect to see a little bit of metal in there. It is gears meshing together. So you gotta remember that's 100K on this thing, you know?
Oh yeah, I mean that's all of it. Yeah, I mean it's not bad. Let that drip a little bit. We'll wipe these off.
Well, if you don't have one of these big old syringes for this fluid exchange stuff, boy, you fucking up. That leash right there. This is the only gear oil I've seen that's ever been blue. I can tell you that.
Oh, you haven't seen blue yet?
Never seen blue. I've seen green and all kind of other colors.
Yeah, I've seen blue. A lot of Mercedes shit blue.
Oh, it makes it easy. All right. So, good news. That was, like we said, easy peasy. Got the fluid swapped out in the diff. the old fluid was about to expect for 100K on her. I don't, maybe I'll release this after the next event, but the next event's not for another month. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to it or, and then that way I can give you an honest difference between what it was before and after, or maybe I'll just do that in the event video that comes out with that. I'm gonna try to get a little bit better at filming at the events with some more GoPro footage and stuff like that. I'm just gonna try to get a little bit better in general. This was just kind of a quick video. I didn't expect it to go this fast, to be honest. Nothing ever goes that easy, but this did. So I'll take the W's when they come. Good morning. Got the old Mustang back there in tow. Heading to a little fun day at old Nola Motorsports Park. Turn this off where I get copyright striked. So I haven't posted in a while. It's been like, what, a month and a half, 2 months? I don't know. But should have some videos of this and some other stuff on the Mustang, little piddly stuff coming out soon. But man, I've been sick this whole week. I got whatever stomach bugs been going around. Good God. Got it on Tuesday. It's Saturday. I'm still messed up. Obviously not as bad as I was on Tuesday and Wednesday, but man, you just forget that you can't eat the same stuff that you were eating before for a little while. And it's like I was eating bad stuff. Like last night I had some broccoli and a little bit of chicken teriyaki and like a sushi roll. You know, not even like the whole roll. Like I'm talking like a little piece. I think I had 2 of those. Bruh, messed me up. I think it was most of the broccoli, all the fiber. My system is not ready for that. Anyway, we are en route, and we're going to try to make it a good day. Hopefully my stomach decides to settle itself out here in a little bit, and we can start driving and having a good time. I mean, we're going to drive and have a good time regardless. It would just be nice, you know, if I was feeling a little better. But we're going to stop. We're going to put some fuel in the old girl, in the old Mustang, and then we'll be heading to the racetrack. So see you in a little bit.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Through the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway. It's a nice switch, cause I grind through the climb, I ain't fighting pain. Never hit the bitch, nah, I don't come away. Just gotta hit the switch and you can go.
itself, so it's not going to be as good as Carl's, but you'll live. But the BMR stuff did do phenomenally. I just mowed the grass, small full of grass. I realized I needed to film this outro. It did great. Still a little wheel hop if you really like just dump the clutch and just hammer it down. It will hop a little bit and then it grabs. But if you just feather the clutch just a touch, you're good. And then no wheel hop and drift. Everything was good. So if you enjoyed the video, got some entertainment, some knowledge, something, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content in the future. And I will hopefully see you